am so excited. I just recently got this cordless vacuum from VacLife. I've been wanting to get a portable vacuum for so long. Like, vacuuming these stairs is such a pain in the butt. But VacLife sent me this cordless vacuum to make my life a lot easier. This is VacLife's VL106 cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, and I am obsessed with it. I especially love that it's cordless. Who wants to have a vacuum with a cord these days? Not me. And I don't have to grab my vacuum with a cord and bring it up all of these stairs. So I'm so excited to show you guys how to use this and how much easier it'll make your life. So now I'm gonna start vacuuming the stairs just to show you guys how this works. I have the attachment on right now. I have this brush attachment and I love it. It comes with 3 different attachments. It's very simple to operate. It has low noise and strong suction. It has an exquisite LED light, and we smashed Cheerios into the carpet to see how well of a job it could do, and it picked up every last crumb. Ew, look at all of the dirt it got on the stairs, you guys. So gross.
That's a lot.
VacLife is a professional brand that specializes in at-home and automotive appliances. They serve millions of customers worldwide, and they are a 5-star seller on Amazon. This vacuum is good quality and cost-effective. So if you guys want to purchase this vacuum, I will link it down below in the description box. You guys can purchase it on their website, or you can purchase it through Amazon, and you guys can use my discount code KEELY15% at checkout to receive 15% off your entire purchase. Thank you so much, VacLife, for partnering with me on today's video.